Dino.
Hello.
Ah, I see that you have a can of cold soda. Easy, Dino. No need to hurry. What's wrong, Dino? Oh, Dino, you got the hiccups. Do you know how to stop hiccups? Fox, Rabbit, thank goodness you're here. Can you help Dino to stop the hiccups?
Yes. Aha! Okay. Yay!
Poor Dino, your hiccups are still there. I'm sure you have tried your best, Fox. And, hang on, where is Rabbit?
Boo!
Wow, Rabbit, you surprised us.
Dino, you're not. Whoa, yeah, she's right.
Dino, you stopped hiccuping.
All right, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Fox. Thank you, Rabbit.
Yeah. All right, yeah.